Make money easily with Cash Runner. Are you looking for easy ways to make money online? Do you want to earn extra cash in your spare time? Look no further than Cash Runner, the ultimate GPT Get Paid To app. Cash Runner lets you earn rewards by completing simple tasks. From taking surveys to snapping photos of receipts for cashback, the opportunities are endless. It's a fun and flexible way to make money on your own terms. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, Cash Runner fits into your lifestyle seamlessly. With Cash Runner, you can earn rewards anytime, anywhere. Imagine turning your downtime into productive moments. Whether you're waiting for a bus, commuting to work, or simply relaxing at home, Cash Runner is there for you. The app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to start earning right away. Cash Runner offers a world of earning potential at your fingertips. The more tasks you complete, the more rewards you earn. So why wait? Download the app today and start earning. Join the thousands of satisfied users who are already making money with Cash Runner. Your financial freedom is just a tap away. Cash Runner is a mobile app that pays you for completing various tasks. Whether you have a few minutes or a few hours, you can find tasks that fit your schedule and interests. These tasks can range from taking surveys to playing games. You might also find tasks like testing new apps, watching videos, or even shopping online. The variety ensures there's something for everyone. It's a simple and accessible way to earn extra income without any special skills or experience. You can do it from the comfort of your home, during your commute, or even while waiting in line. Cash Runner partners with businesses looking for consumer feedback and engagement. These companies are eager to understand their audience better and improve their products and services. By connecting businesses with individuals like you, Cash Runner facilitates a mutually beneficial platform for earning and growth. You get paid for your time and opinions, while businesses gain valuable insights. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Cash Runner is incredibly user-friendly. After downloading the app, you create a free account and start browsing the available tasks. Select the tasks that interest you and follow the instructions provided. Once you complete a task, you earn points. These points accumulate in your account and can be redeemed for various rewards. It's as simple as that. Earning opportunities galore. Cash Runner offers a wide array of earning opportunities to suit your interests and preferences. You can choose from a variety of options that cater to different skills and time commitments. Whether you have a few minutes or a few hours, there's something for everyone. Surveys, where you can share your opinions on products and services. These surveys are designed to be quick and easy, allowing you to earn rewards by simply sharing your thoughts and experiences. Tasks, which involve completing simple tasks like watching videos or downloading apps. These tasks are straightforward and can be done in your spare time, making it easy to earn rewards without much effort. Games, where you can play fun and engaging games to earn rewards. These games are not only entertaining, but also provide a great way to earn while having fun. From puzzle games to strategy games, there's something for every gamer. And referrals, where you can invite your friends to Cash Runner and earn a bonus for each successful referral. The more friends you invite, the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation for both you and your friends. With so many options, you're sure to find plenty of ways to earn rewards with Cash Runner. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or want to maximize your earnings, Cash Runner provides the flexibility and variety to help you achieve your financial goals. Start exploring these opportunities today and see how much you can earn. Reap the rewards of your efforts. Cash Runner offers a rewarding experience for your time and effort. As you complete tasks and accumulate points, you can redeem them for cash, which gets paid directly through PayPal, or gift cards, or you can choose from a variety of popular retailers. Cash Runner makes it easy to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Join the Cash Runner community today. Ready to start earning extra cash with Cash Runner? Download Cash Runner now and start your journey to financial freedom. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences about making money with mobile games. Have you tried any other apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.